Hi, today we're working on a little bit of rounding to 3 significant figures. So we want to see how all of our rules for rounding play out here. So 3 significant figures. I'm going to come here to my first number and look at 3, 4, 5 being my significant figures, and then the next number is going to be what I round with. So I'm looking at here rounding to the ones. And it helps to say that or write that so I remember, okay, I want to keep my ones, and my answer here would end up being 346 because that 5 told me to round up. Next problem. Round 1,234 to 3 significant figures. So the 1, the 2, and the 3 are my keepers. I want to use the 4 to round. And so I say, okay, I want to keep 1, 2, 3, but don't forget I'm rounding to the tens because that was 34 there, so I have to keep that placeholder, and so the answer ends up being 1,230. Notice that's still exactly the same magnitude as I had here before on the order of 1,000. Next one down. Now we're looking at 45,678. I want to keep the first 3 digits as my significant figures, use the next one to round. So I'm keeping 4, 5, the 6 rounds up to 7, but I need this to be still 45,000 like it was before, so I need to keep those zeros as placeholders. I still only have 3 significant figures when I'm done with that. Finally, let's try a scientific notation rounding. So I keep 1, 2, 3 digits in the coefficient. I use the next one to round, so that ends up being 3.46 because I had to round up. Keep the same 10 raised to the 6, and I've got 3 significant figures there. So those are some examples of how to round. Specifically, when you end up with these extra zeros here, that's where you want to be careful to make sure that you keep it at the same magnitude and use your placeholders.